All right, today we're going to do a quick, I promise this one's going to be a quick comparison of Windows Phone versus MeeGo. Okay, I do have a 40-minute video out. If you want the real detailed version, this is just going to be the super quick. I'm going to try to make it under 10-minute version in case you guys are wondering. Okay, first what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the unlock of both phones. Right here on the N9, you can either hit the power button on the side or double tap here, swipe any direction, and you can unlock the N9. Got it? Okay. Windows Phone, you have to hit the power button no matter what. Swipe up. That's your only option, is to swipe up on it. If I lock it again, unlock it, I go to the sides, I go down, you got nothing. Must go up, must go up, must go up. Everybody got it? Great. Moving on. The next thing we're going to show you here is we're going to show you what is multitasking on both phones, okay? On the Windows Phone, there is not true multitasking as us Nokia users are used to. You hit the back button, you hold down on it, and as you can see, here's the last 5 things I've used. None of it is actually running in the background. There are several things that actually multitask if I would play a song. Okay, as you can hear, that actually does multitask in the background. Naturally, your feeds and your widgets are going to hang out in the background, but if I would go into something else and have it running while I move on to, say, the Me tile, okay, it would completely stop. And if it was important, where the fact that I have a timer going or something, you cannot move on to something else. As you can see, the multitasking, it's not bad. It does the job, but you just have to realize it's not true multitasking on your Windows Phone. On your N9, okay, there's the unlock screen. Swiping up, swipe to the right. Here's your multitasking. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 things running at the moment. Here is my timeline for my Twitter. Pop it up. This actually is running in real time. If I would swipe that back, okay, go to it. Bam, there you go. It's still running. This is updating. That's updating. My Hotmail is updating. It's all updating in real time, and it's running. The other thing that's going to be a big difference between the two is really just the way you move around the devices. Okay, we're going to start with the Windows Phone. There is your live tiles everybody's familiar with. You hit it, it goes to it. If you swipe in a hub, I'll pull up a hub in a second. Okay. But to get back to the main screen, you hit this Windows Phone button. It takes you back. If you hit the back button, it just continually takes you back to wherever you were previously, which is convenient. It's kind of like the back button on your browser. This button here, you can navigate with. It'll take you immediately to a Bing search. Which I'll show you in a second. It's kind of useless, but let's go back to that. How you navigate on the N9, let's unlock that, is again simply your swipes. Okay, and as you can see here, there's a little notification on here which lets you know that it was running in the background. So we're going to open up that. Okay, if you want to get rid of something, you simply swipe a direction and it's gone. If you want to close something down, I don't want to close that down. Let's open up a program here. Okay, here's your whole menu. Let's dip into one of the folders that came with the new update. I'm going to tap on that. There's my folder. Let's open up Me To Do. Okay, Me To Do is open. If I want to get rid of this, as opposed to just swiping it to the side of multitask, I simply swipe down. And it's gone. Okay, and all you're doing is swipe, 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 swipe. real simple. I mean, it's just so simple and so fluent and so natural to pick up. It's unbelievable. And that is really, that and the multitasking, really the main advantages with the MeeGo over the Windows Phone. Okay? The Windows Phone main advantage here is the integration. Well, if you want a notification, you just heard that. That was a notification from my N9 that I got an email. As you can see, there's my notification up there. There's a notification on my standby screen. If I unlock it, you see down there, it tells me that I have 4 new messages and it tells me who it's from. If I would swipe that way, it would automatically bring my messages up. Okay? What you got over here is your deep integration with everything. Okay, for some reason, my Hotmail has not updated here yet. Let's do that. Actually, it has. Why it's not telling me, I don't know. So if I want to just get rid of something here, I would hold down on it, and there's my options to delete, move it around in my folders. This is one of the main advantages of Windows Phone as opposed to MeeGo. The email system is just so much better. Okay, if I want to just get rid of multiple things, I hit that button. I'll check that. Okay, there's my tab. I'll hit that, and they're gone. If I'm actually reading something and I want to get rid of it, I hit the garbage, and you see how quick and how smooth that is. It's a little slower on the N9. Okay, so we're going to go back to the main screen here. Let's just get you used to hubs here real quick. Here, we're going to hit the weather button. Okay, this is AccuWeather. It's loading up. This will be a good reference point to show you a difference between Windows Phone and MeeGo. Okay, so that's the AccuWeather app for Windows Phone. And here, right there's my weather for MeeGo. Okay. And that hasn't updated yet. But as you can see, temperature, okay? If I want the forecast on the MeeGo, all I have to do is go like this. There it is. This is using the hub, which is kind of inconvenient, but not that bad. Shows you the forecast here. If I want the hourly on MeeGo, it's right there at my fingertips. I hit the button. There it is. On the Windows Phone, I kind of have to swipe for it. Okay, swipe again, I go to the maps. Again, it's simply a button here. If I want my radar to go in motion, I'll hit that. My radar hits in motion. On the Windows Phone, I have to just go a little bit deeper for the radar to go in motion. It brings it up, and then I hit the radar in motion. Okay, I'll hit the back button. The next thing we have is the lifestyle, which here again is a swipe. Here again, it's a push, and that brings my lifestyle up immediately. This has a little more options with videos and settings there, so I have to actually hit the lifestyle button. But as you can see, once you get there, it's pretty well the same thing. There is a bunch of other differences between the two. I just wanted to hit on the basic differences for everybody to see. If you want the real in-depth stuff, I only have another minute before I have to go. You want to check out the 40-minute video. I'll show you just one more thing on each one of them, and we'll make this video stop. Right here on the N9 is you have all your feeds. I have this just doing my RSS feeds. At any point, I can add my Twitter and my Facebook feeds here. I just don't do it. Again, there's the weather and the date. If I would have some type of a calendar event, that would show there. This is kind of your home screen, all your information, your one glance, you're in, you're out, you're gone, boom. Here is everything that you have program-wise. Again, with the new folders, very customizable, very nice. And then here I have everything that's open, my multitasking screen as it were. Okay. Here, the big advantage to Windows Phone is not only the live tile, as you can see, but let me just show you something really cool. The voice command, as you can see right here, I have an app called Flashlight X. I can either push it by hand and have it run, or I can just tell it to open it. Let's see if I can do that real quick. I'm going to hold down on the Windows button. Open Flashlight. As you can see, it's going to open up Flashlight X. It's going to pop it open, and it's going to start it up immediately for me. Okay, great. It's awesome, and it's just one thing that the N9 doesn't do. Pretty much the bottom line this is, if you need that deep integration in some of your local search items and you're really an app freak, I would say go with the Windows Phone. If you just want that smooth, natural UI, the deep customization that it can do whatever you want it to, and you really don't mind the fact that this is the first and the last phone that's going to run MeeGo, and the fact that you're not going to have that depth of apps, I would say go with the Windows Phone. If you have any questions, you can either tweet me, leave a comment, or you can watch my 40-minute video. Thanks for watching.